fun? You having fun, Dan? How about you, Mom?
Oh, yeah.
Daddy, I'm done.
Johnny, what do you think about this?
Daddy, I'm done driving. I'm done driving. I feel seasick.
You feel seasick?
Yeah, I do.
Did you swallow a tooth?
Let's check.
No, looks good. You still have 6 teeth.
What?
Belle, how are you liking this?
Great.
Woohoo! We're having fun.
Here's big sheets.
That's the name for your boat.
Big,
What do you think we should name our boat?
big sheets.
Big Sheets?
Wait. Oh, I have another name.
What if only one sail's up?
Big sheet.
Good for you, Johnny!
Nice work, buddy. I'm proud of you.
You're really wet, huh? You want to stay in for a minute, or you want to get back in? Bella, do you want to try?
Yeah, what? Yeah, you want to stand?
Come in too?
Do you want to go out there, Belle, while Johnny's in there?
I'm very fun, Bella.
He
How do you know that?
sees you having fun. Johnny, I'm so proud of you for trying again. And not panicking. Look
Look at you. Look at you.
Holding on to the boat.
You're a little fish.
Yeah! Go little fishy!
It's water. It's cold and hard to get to the boat.
Good job. You want to try? Okay, come here.
Yay! Wait, watch out, Johnny. Don't panic.
Yeah, don't panic is right.
Good job. Okay, so put your legs Ooh, it is cold at first, huh?
Good job, Bella. Good job. Good job.
I'm proud of you guys.
Two little fish.
How's it doing it? Good for you. Does it feel good?
Yeah.
Are you cold?
Well, look how fast she's paddling, too.
Yeah. She's going fast. Woo, woo, woo!
That's so much fun.
That's awesome. It'll probably cool. Oh yeah, and look at Johnny's boat. Ready to get back in? You want to
I
try to
don't
slow
want to. I want to get back in.
down? Okay. Good for you, Bill.
It's just like a water park.
It's just like a water park.
But
Full of water.
It is. This is a state park, and it's full of water.
Ready? Get back in.
now,
Now. Oh, you're just holding on to the boat? Okay.
oh, this feels good.
You feel good now? Was it cold?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Really
You look like it.
It's warm a little bit. Warm.
You get used to it too, huh? Yeah. Yeah, I think this water, it is on the chilly side, but it feels pretty good.
This is a perfect time to take a trip.
Johnny.
Yeah. I'm impressed, Johnny boy. I think he's ready, Mom. I think he's ready for some motorboating.
I think so too.
Look how brave he's being.
Yeah, I'm really proud of him. Can you get back in?
Yeah. Yay! Banana me.
Watch out. Here she comes.
Ow! Oh, check them.
Here we go, it gets cold.
Maybe she's just excited. I don't know. Maybe it was cold. Okay, but don't both of you pull on the boat at once, because we don't all want to get in right now.
Yeah.
What do you think, Belle?
I I'm on my belly.
You on your belly?
This is super fun.
That's awesome.
Yes!
Hey Sam, what do you think about your crazy siblings?
Oh, did you swallow some water? You okay?
Yeah.
Okay, careful.
Hey, I know I said it wasn't bath water, but it's also not drinking water.
Careful, look how far we're tilted that way. Whoa, yeah. Guess we're all sitting on this side.